Rocket Pat here. Hi guys, it's another hot rocket day in the jungle, and this is going to be the last video of our little vintage camper door rehab project. It's about a week or so later than when I actually fixed the door. I had one more video for you guys of me actually putting the outer rim on it, but after looking at the video, it was just 10 minutes of me screwing with it really didn't do you much good to watch. Okay, so just basically know that it got new screws put all the way around on it. All right, so temporarily I put my door handle on there because I hadn't got the chance to weld up the one that I made, and I just wanted to show you this is the unit after I made it up. It's not perfect, but it sure is a lot better than a broken one. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off, and we're gonna change out this. We're gonna change it out, and that'll be the last of this video series. And then we move on to other fun things that we're doing around here in the shop. Because as always, I got a lot of crap going on. So for the Bargman L300, it's pretty simple. 2 Phillips screws. Be very careful when you put these back in that you don't break it, because they're fragile. Slides out. You can see all the guts on the inside, right? So over here, all we have is a snap ring. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop that snap ring out of there, and then I'm going to pop that new one in. It's like my mechanic just showed up to work. Old one out. New one going in.
What's going on?
Doing the last video here on this here little camper rehab thingy-majigger.
Oh, the handle deal?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Putting on a new handle, custom made here at Rocket Pat Shop.
Oh, there you go. Oh, you're videoing. Uh-oh, gotta go.
All right, guys, so now all we got to do is hope that it fits. Which I'm pretty sure it will, because I tested it on another unit. Might be easier if I come around the other side. Alrighty then. It's like I made it to fit. Alright, now we're going to put the screws back in. Now be very careful when you tighten this up, because I've already broken one and had to give up the plate that I had for myself. You don't want to over tighten. And there you have it. One Bargman L300 door handle, inside door handle, rebuild and install. All right, let's see how this thing's going to shut. Look at that, nice and tight. Pops right open. We'll go inside. Light might be a little bit different, and shuts just fine. Push on it, can't open it. Now you can open the door. All right, guys, well, there you go. I have completely, well, I can't say I completely. I repaired the bottom of this door. We took it completely apart, pulled the inside skin off of it, re-glued the inside skin, remade the door handle from scratch, and installed it. So there you have it, guys. One Memorial Day weekend project, all complete. And yeah, we also figured out that that's not the original door for this trailer. Can anybody tell me why? So there you go, guys. Y'all keep rocking and a rolling and a rolling and a rocking. I got some more grinding it down to do. Next video coming up is a 1964 Willys Jeep, and we're doing floor pans in it. All right, guys, y'all keep rocking and a rolling and a rolling and a rocking. And I'm going to keep grinding it down. Talk to y'all next time.